Importance of education. First, we will know why education is important for everyone. Education, in its general sense, is a form of learning in which the knowledge, skills, and habits of group of people are transferred from one generation to the next through teaching, training, or research. Education is preparing a person to face everyday life. Why is education so important in our life? When I started thinking about why education is so important, I remembered my school years when I used to wake up at 5 am and get ready for my maths coaching and school after that. I remembered my school, teachers, principal, school subjects and study my friends, and that's fun. I never hated to go school, but many classmates were there who did not like the idea of studying. But I personally was focused because I wanted to become an independent girl one day. I knew that it was going to be hard and very challenging, but I believe I can do it. The first thing that strikes me about education is knowledge gain. Education gives us knowledge about the world around us and changes it into something better. It develops in us a perspective of looking at life. It helps us to build opinion and have points of view on the things in life. People debate over the subject of whether education is only thing that gives knowledge. Some say education is process of gaining information about surrounding world, while knowledge is something very different. They are right, but then again information cannot be converted into knowledge without education. Now we will talk about role of education in daily life and betterment society. First point, brings awareness in the society. Second, get rid to the superstitious benefits. Third, improvement in health, income and security. Fourth, develops a positive attitude in society. Fifth, brings peace and prosperity. Sixth, key to success. Importance of education. To say education is important is an understatement. Education is a weapon to improve one's life. It is probably the most important tool to change one's life. Education of a child begins at home. It is a lifelong process that ends with death. Education certainly determines the quality of an individual's life. Education improves one's knowledge, skills, and develops the personality and attitude. Most noteworthy, education affects the chances of employment for people. A highly educated individual is probably very likely to get a good job. Let's see some quotes on education.